second semester. See, okay, this was the first lesson in English, Earth Day. Let's read the lesson. The planet we live on is Earth. We get everything we need for a healthy life from its resources. Okay? Resources means what? Supply of materials. First I'll explain Earth Day. Earth Day means what? We celebrating Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, Children's Day, Rose Day. We are celebrating these types of but now here another day is there. I think you are not celebrating which day? Earth Day. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಾ? We are celebrating Mother's Day, we are celebrating Father's Day, Rose Day, Sister's Day, Children's Day, some other days we are celebrating. But Earth Day is also there, but you are not celebrating. Let's read. When is Earth Day? The planet we live on Earth, we get everything we need for health, life from its resources. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We are living on the Earth. It is a planet. You already know it is a planet. In social studies, you read it about Earth. It is one of 8 planets. It is a healthy life from its resources. ಆ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It's giving healthy life. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the oil we use, the food we eat and the fuel that we use is given to us by Earth. Earth, the air we breathe, now ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, then water we use to drink, the oil we use, the food we eat, the fuel means petrol, diesel, this one all are the fuel that we use is given by the Earth only. It is important to protect this planet we live on so that we need our future generation can continue to live happy and healthy lives. Generation means what? People born and living same time. Okay? It is important to protect planet we live on. We are living on the Earth. It is important to live other save resources, save fuel, save water, save other food, and save trees. For trees we are taking air to breathe. For water we are taking to drink and fuel to driving a vehicles. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. If you waste this all things, the other generation will can't use this. Continue living happy life. In order to encourage people to help save environment and conserve natural resources in 1970, it was decided to celebrate Earth Day. The idea was proposed by peace activist John O'Connell. Okay? Here, ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಸೇವ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ. ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಮೈ ಅರ್ತ್, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೈ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ nobody is there on my back. So what I do? The people we have to support for good thing. Support ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕಿರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. Okay, you will cheer up to this guy na. So this one is the encourage. Yeah, so save what ಗೋಸ್ಕರ encourage ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. 1970 ಗೆ ಆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಬಂತು. So John O'Connell, one person is there. He was started to peace activities. Peace activities means maintain peace calm ways. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಶಾಂತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರೋಣ. ಪೀಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶಾಂತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅದು 1970 ಅವನು ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. The World Earth Day is observed on April 22nd. This date is important. Every year, the aim of celebrating this day is to make people aware of the importance of our planet and protect it from destructions. See, this is the April 22nd is the Earth Day. When we celebrate April 22nd. Nobody is celebrating here. In India, nobody will celebrating Earth Day. But ಯಾಕೆ Earth Day ಆ ಡೇಟ್ಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We should save our Earth for other disturb ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅದರ್ ಡಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This was the aim. Aim means ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಏಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗುರಿ. ಆ ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಅರ್ತ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ವೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟೆಡ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, creating useful things out of recycled materials, and switching off lights and fans in the house and office for a certain periods of time during the day to save electricity. Here, how we celebrated Earth Day? Earth Day celebrate ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆ we have to plant